Hey everyone, it's Patrick from Oakland Travel. Welcome to the Harmony of the Seas in May of 2022. It is a sea day and a very, very windy sea day as it so happens. And of course, one of the problems with a windy sea day when you're trying to record video is sometimes the audio becomes a little bit of an issue. It's one of those things as sort of a vlogger that I am still trying to figure out the perfect scenario to kind of fix this problem. So there are going to be certain parts of the video here where the wind was just so bad that it's kind of hard to tell what's being said. Interestingly, we happened to be recording up on deck when the captain made kind of an announcement giving us, the current sea conditions and what to expect, and later on that kind of stuff. And so it's in the recording. I tried to kind of block out the wind as much as I could so that you can hear what the captain is saying. But it's just one of those things. It's I'm constantly trying to figure out a better way to do this for future cruises. So this is Harmony of the Seas from May of 2022. Back around to the pool bar. Here's the mast bar. Announcement.
Miles an hour, 20.7 knots. Do a little bit of a breeze, and I'm very happy to see this breeze is ahead of us and coming towards us, because that means the sun is going to shine pretty soon. I can already see that it has cleared up quite a bit out there, and looking at my satellite picture, it looks beautiful for the upcoming days down in the Virgin Islands and on down to St. Kitts and on the way back as well. The rain for the first day and a half is behind us, and let's keep it there for the remaining of the cruise. Sunset tonight, 7 minutes past 7. It's going to happen behind the ship because we are sailing in an easterly direction, and sunrise tomorrow morning, 6:24, is going to happen before we arrive and before we enter the Virgin Passage tomorrow morning. That's the passage that separates the Virgin Islands and Puerto Rico, so you will see some land somewhere around 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. That's when we start cruising into the Virgin Passage and turning the ship into the East Gregory base and channel there in St. Thomas, Charlotte, Amalia. Docking the ship tomorrow by noon. We'll pick up the pilot an hour before then. Gonna turn the ship around, and I'll let you know by then what's gonna happen and how we're doing on time and everything. Looks very good so far today. Hope you're all enjoying yourself, ladies and gentlemen. A nice, relaxing day at sea today. And tomorrow you can sleep in as well, because we won't be at the pilot station before somewhere around 11 o'clock, depending on the speed we can make throughout the night and so forth. If it can be earlier, I can promise you we will. We are running full blast 4 engines in order to make it there on time. Nearest land, in case you care about that, that's North Caicos, 50 nautical miles on the starboard side. That's too far away. You cannot see any land from here, because when you are on the upper decks, you can only see 16 miles to the horizon. Yeah, land usually raised above the horizon with mountains and trees and buildings, whatever have you. But down here, there is flat land. All this island in the Bahamas plateau is very, very low and flat. I think it's 60 feet above the sea level is the highest point in the Bahamas, something like that. So you won't see any land today, not before around 9 o'clock tomorrow morning, but we will probably see a little bit of Puerto Rico and the islands on the east side of Puerto Rico Island and the Virgin Islands coming up. Air temperature right now is 79 degrees Fahrenheit and 26 degrees Celsius. And it looks like it is going to rain throughout the afternoon and some sunny skies tomorrow when we get up to St. Thomas and the Virgin Islands. So that's all from us on the bridge. Hope you are enjoying yourself. Whatever you're doing on board the ship, you have logged into the Royal Lab. There is a lot of fun things happening. Don't miss out on all the fun that Mr. Jeffrey and his great team
Yes,
is
sir.
arranging for you. And of
Yeah.
course, you have the spies open, and they have the shop.
Sorry, you gonna tell me something?